asking the group which is being interviewed about their response to a particular situation. And it can also be mapped, that is conducting a survey. Let us take the example of Swachh Bharat Mission. If we identify a territorial unit, say a MOSA, a small territorial unit, and interview every household, the changes that have taken place after the Swachh Bharat mission and after the construction of their toilet in their homes. So this is a survey that is being conducted, and the data therein collected is also a plottable data. We can use various cartographic measures to plot the data collected on the basis of the survey. Sample registration system, like if you want to study a particular factor over a sample population, say for example the decline in the Zarwas in Andaman and Nicobar, so that will come under sample registration system. So these are the various sources of demographic indicators. Now, what are the two type of indicators? One is population statistics. These are just descriptive parameters, population size, population density. And the other is vital statistics, which determine the population dynamics. What is population dynamics? Whether it is increasing, whether it is decreasing, whether there's a change, whether it is in equilibrium, disequilibrium, what factors, the data of what factors bring about the changes in population dynamics is vital statistics. Okay, now let us see what are these indicators. The first is population statistics. The ones are population size, population density, age and sex composition, sex ratio, dependency ratio. And now let me define each one of them. What is population size? Population size is the total count of population, total count of people, both units, male and female, which is present at a given point of time over a given area. That is population size. Next is population density. What is population density? This is a picture of man-land ratio, the number of people per square unit area. Per square unit area means per square kilometer, per square mile, whatever the system is in use. So it's a very, very important aspect of assessing various demographic studies. This is the pressure of person on land, and the density is higher in regions where there are various economic and social factors favoring the clustering of people. Age and sex composition. This is the division of the population into age and sex. According age and sex, what is the total number or proportion of people age-wise and sex-wise? How many male and how many female? Now this age-sex pyramid can have different age limits. It can be 0 to 14, 15 to 59, 60 plus. In each of these age limits, how many percentage or what is the total absolute number of people? How many males are there? How many females are there? Or it could be taken as 0 to 14, 15 to 24, 25 to 54, 55 to 64, and 65 plus. These will vary from country to country. Sex ratio. Sex ratio means the ratio between male and female. This also has been defined differently in different countries. Like in India, we believe sex ratio as the number of female per 1,000 male. There are other countries which consider it as number of male per 100 female. There are still other systems like the number of male per female in different age groups, maybe at birth, 1 to 14 years old, 15 to 25 years old, 26 to 54 years of old, 55 to 59, and 60 plus. So that will also depend from place to place, from different country to country. What it means is the ratio